Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 9 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. By the way, you can download this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use and you can customize it according to your preferences. So let's begin. So I have adjusted my color palette that I'm gonna use. Next, we're gonna insert a rounded corner rectangle and make it less rounder. Remove its outline, give it a feel of a solid color. Next, we're gonna insert a small rounded corner rectangle and now let's rotate it like this. We're gonna put it right here, remove its outline, give it the same feel as the rounded corner rectangle. Duplicate it about 4 times, group them so that we can see if they are of equal size and put them right here like this. Now ungroup them and we're going to select the first round corner rectangles and then go to merge shapes and unite them. Duplicate the slide and we're going to remove the insert another rounded corner rectangle on our previous rounded corner rectangle, and we're gonna make it larger, same size as the previous one. We're just gonna align we're gonna merge the second rounded corner rectangle with it as well. Now duplicate the slide and we're gonna insert another rounded corner rectangle onto our previous one and make it as much rounder as the previous rounded corner rectangle. Next, we're going to remove the previous shape and select this larger rounded corner rectangle and the smaller third rounded corner rectangle and then unite them. And next, duplicate the slide. We're going to do and repeat the same process of inserting a large rounded corner rectangle, selecting it and the fourth smaller rounded corner rectangle, and then go to merge options and then click on union option. Similarly, we're going to remove any unwanted parts from each of the slide. And now let's move each of the shapes onto extreme left of each of the template. That its one side touches the left side. Now what we're going to do is insert a rectangle right here, remove its outline, give it a fill of white color, and next we're going to insert another straight rounded corner rectangle which have to be vertical, and we're going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D, select both of them and duplicate them and rotate them horizontally, and we're going to put them right here. So this is just going to be used as a picture frame. We'll group it by pressing Ctrl plus G and we're going to place it right here. And as for the image, we're gonna go to images and go to Insert tab and pictures, go to downloads, and I have downloaded 3 of the PNGs that I'm going to insert in this frame. So let me just increase their sizes and let's crop them accordingly that they comes into the frame. Here you go. Now cut these images and paste them onto the second slide. Next, insert your text box, which introduce this team member of your presentation. Change its color to white, use a bold font and increase its size. Now insert your content text in it, change its color to white and then give it some line spacing and use a nice font for it. So here you go. Be sure to align it onto the left side. Now insert around the corner rectangle, make it fully rounder. Next, we're going to change its color to white, remove its outline, and here you go. Next, what we're going to do is insert a small circle just onto the extreme left of this round corner rectangle. Use the same color for the circle as the background. We're going to go to icons and search for person. And from here, we're going to use this icon right here. Now let's insert it, decrease its size that it comes into the circle. So we're just gonna put it right here. Negotiate fill, and we're gonna give it white fill. So this is how to make one of the template. Next, we're gonna insert our ID of any social media platform of this person. So I'll just use some random ID, and here you go. Now adjust it all. Select all of this and copy it and paste it onto the second slide as well. But you have to change the image and adjust it. Send it to the front. Next, we're going to crop it. something like this. Yeah. Next, we're gonna change the name of this person, and we're gonna change the ID as well. And also, you have to change the circle color as well. So we're gonna use the same color as the background. Next, we're going to cut the other image, copy it all, and paste it onto the third side. So here you go. Remove this image, and we're going to use another image. So let me just paste the text as well. So this is the third image. Let me just adjust it and send it to the front. And we're going to like increase its size. And then we're going to go to crop option in picture format, and we're going to crop it into the picture frame. Here you go. Change the name of this person. Also change the social media ID, and you have to also change the circles fill as the same as the background shape, which is like aqua color. Next, what we're going to do is copy this content and paste it onto the fourth slide. Remove the image, and we're going to go to icons and click on cutout people. And from here, you can get like images of several people. So I'll just use one of them. This one looks nice. I'll just increase its size. Go to crop option and then crop it into the picture frame. Let me just increase its size because I want it to be more like to be clearly seen. There you go. Now let's change the name of this person and the social media ID as well. Next, we're gonna also change the circle fill as same as the background shape. Next, we're gonna insert a slide at the top. Insert your title in it and increase its size. Put it right here into the middle of the slide. Next, we're gonna change the color. Select all of these contents on each of the slide and group them by pressing Ctrl+G individually. Now go to each of the slide, copy the shapes and then paste them onto each of the slide, and while holding shift move them onto the extreme right of each of the template. Similarly, we're gonna also paste the second slide, like second shape, and for the third, the same goes for the third one, and the same goes for the fourth one as well. After inserting our text, now let's duplicate this first template and remove all of the other content templates. We're gonna, while holding shift, we're gonna move this second first shape onto the left side. Now duplicate this slide again and duplicate the first slide and move it into the third slide's place. We're gonna like duplicate it about 3 times, remove the text from each of the slide, and while holding shift we're gonna move each of the shape one by one in each of the slide outside to the left side that it touches the left side corner of the template. Remove this text and move while holding shift, move this like shape here as well. So now what you have to do is select all of the templates. First of all, you have to duplicate the first template and move it into the place of the last template and customize your text accordingly. So this is gonna be our last thank you slide. Now select all of the templates that you have made, go to transitions tab and then click on more transition. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more amazing videos and updates like these. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.